Hello everyone, this is Charles BridgTec with another flashlight review, this time on a Lumintop Prince. Now I just want to thank Banggood.com for sending me this flashlight for review. Comes in this box, so let's open it up and see what's in. Now this flashlight came in a plastic wrapping and it was pretty sealed tight, so I went ahead and removed that before, just to make sure that it did work. Comes with your user manual as well as a warranty card and your thank you from the manufacturer, and you can click on these to get additional information from them. Comes with O-rings. Looks like they gave me 2 sets there. Okay, so we'll go ahead and put the box to the side here. Comes with a nice pouch. Okay, so if you're wondering what this is an extra battery holder. You can put an extra cell in there, so I'm going to go ahead and do just that. I'm going to put a Samsung 35E in here. Show you how that looks. So you always have extra battery power. Real nice leather, feels pretty durable. Nice, kind of thin here on the flap, but it's nice and double stitched here. Very nice. Alright, so let's get to the light. Very nice area here. This is not rough in any way, so it is shiny and smooth, but it's definitely got a nice style to this. Incredible finish on this, and it's heavy too. Very nice. And these are built very well. Feel the button is very nice quality on this. Heavy duty clip. Now the amazing thing about this comes in 3 flavors. Comes in this brass, copper, or stainless steel. I'm really liking this a lot. This is running Cree XM-L2 LED. Has 1,000 lumens on high. So let's go ahead and open this up and I'll show you what I'm running in it. There's contact point there. Spring is pretty heavy duty down in there. And I'm running the Samsung 35E, which are 3500 milliamp. These are a protected cell. Okay, so let's go ahead and put this back in. Alright, so let's go through the outputs here. We're going to go ahead and turn it on. Okay, so we're going to go through the UI. The UI is pretty simple. You're going to half press this in order to go through the light outputs, or you can full press the button to go through the light outputs. So we'll go ahead and do half presses first. We're going to turn it on. Starts off on low, half press that, goes to medium, and there's high. 1,000 lumens, that's really bright. And there's the beam for you. Really nice spill on there. Really nice. And it goes back down to low. So now we're going to do full presses. We'll do full presses to go through the UI. And we're going to go ahead and click that on. Goes to medium. Full presses, goes through the light outputs. And that's easy as that. Okay, so let's go ahead and show you what it looks like in the holster here. And that's what the light looks like in the holster, with that extra battery in there, so if you need it, you've got it. Really nice. Covers this light up very nicely, so you're not going to scratch it. Very nice. Easy to take out, easy to put in. Very nice. So that's all there is to this light, so let's go ahead and take it outside, see how it does in the wilderness. We are out here in the darkness with the Lumintop, the brass special. And we're going to go ahead and start off on low. And this is extremely low. Yeah, but it makes it about 7 to 10 feet in front of you here, all the way to where I'm standing, all the way to there, and it is faintly making that water spout. Okay, so we're going to go up to the next level on this one, and there we go. We got a good spill here. We're going to pan around over here to this tree, and it is making it to that tree, and you can see it along the fence line as I bring the spot to the trees and to the fence line, tree line, fence line, tree line. 25 feet out. Famous tree of life is 130 feet. And we'll go ahead. Alright, so we're going to go up to the next level. And look at that. That is really nice. And the spot on this is pretty big. Pretty wide spot on it. A lot of light coming from this. Incredible. Beautiful craftsmanship and machining on this light, and now you've got excellent performance as well. Making it across the park there. Tree of life. And it is making the school faintly. Not a lot of throw on this. Very nice. Incredible. Now it's been real warm here, so this is getting a little warm here, but it's designed to dissipate the heat here better. Very nice. Alright, here's the whole beam here. Very nice. Well, I hope you enjoyed those night shots. Okay, well, I hope you enjoyed those night shots. This is an excellent quality built, excellent quality performing flashlight. This is definitely an everyday carry. This is a conversation piece right here. This is, you take this out to use it, people are going to ask you, wow, this is going to start a conversation regardless. Even people that are not into flashlights are going to see this and want to know about it. Very nice, top-notch quality build. Very impressed with this. Very nice from Lumintop. This is the Prince again. I want to thank Banggood.com for sending me this light for review. And now this is going for $62.90 on their website. But if you use my discount code right up on that screen, right about right there, you can use that to save some money on this should you be interested in getting it. And I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please share, like, and subscribe. That way I can bring more of these lights to you in the future. Thanks for watching. Take care.